Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of dash cams to bring you the ultimate guide on the best dash cams. Whether you're a safety-conscious driver, a rideshare enthusiast, or simply curious about the latest tech trends, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the top dash cams on the market, their cutting-edge features, and the benefits they offer. So let's buckle up and hit the road to discover the best in dashboard camera technology. At the first position of our list, we have REDTI GER Dash Cam Front Rear F7N Plus. The REDTI GER Dash Cam Front Rear F7N Plus is a standout in the world of dash cameras. This sleek and powerful device offers a combination of features that make it a top choice for any driver concerned with safety and security. With front and rear cameras, the F7N Plus provides a comprehensive view of the road. The front camera captures crisp 4K video, while the rear camera ensures you don't miss any action behind you. The clarity and detail in both day and night conditions are impressive, offering peace of mind during every drive. One feature that truly sets the F7N Plus apart is its advanced parking mode. It utilizes motion detection and G-sensor technology to capture incidents even when your vehicle is parked. This is an invaluable feature for preventing hit and runs and vandalism. Installation is a breeze with the included kit, and the 3-inch LCD screen provides immediate playback. GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connectivity ensure you can easily review, share, and save footage on your smartphone. In summary, the REDTI GER Dash Cam Front Rear F7N Plus excels in its category. Its front and rear cameras, 4K video, and smart features make it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's safety and surveillance capabilities. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Rove R24K Dash Cam Built-in Wi-Fi GPS Card Dashboard Camera R24K. The Rove R24K Dash Cam is a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-quality, feature-rich dashboard camera. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, this camera offers more than just video recording. It provides an entire driving experience analysis. The R24K's 4K Ultra HD resolution ensures that your footage is incredibly crisp and clear, capturing every detail on the road. Its wide dynamic range technology guarantees excellent performance in low-light conditions, making night recordings equally impressive. The GPS feature tracks your location and speed, which is a valuable asset for documenting your travels and ensuring accurate accident reports. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi allows you to sync your footage to your smartphone effortlessly. The camera's collision detection and emergency lock features ensure that critical moments are saved and protected. The loop recording function seamlessly overwrites old footage to prevent running out of storage space on the included SD card. In conclusion, the Rove R24K Dash Cam is a versatile and highly capable dashboard camera. It doesn't just capture video, it enhances your driving experience with its GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities. If you're looking for a top-notch dash cam that's user-friendly and performance-oriented, this is a strong contender. The number 3 position held by a 3-channel dash cam front and rear inside Prelot NUI 15. The Prelot NUI 15 3-channel dash cam is a triple threat in the world of in-car surveillance. With front and rear cameras as well as an inside cabin camera, it provides complete coverage for all your driving needs. The front and rear cameras both offer impressive 1080p resolution, ensuring that you get clear and detailed footage of the road ahead and behind you. This is invaluable for accident documentation and insurance claims. What sets the Prelot NUI 15 apart is the inside cabin camera, which records the interior of your vehicle. Whether you're an Uber driver, a concerned parent of a teenage driver, or just want added security while you're away from your car, this feature is a game changer. The 3-inch LCD screen makes it easy to view footage on the spot, and loop recording ensures that you never run out of space on the included SD card. Additionally, the G-sensor technology detects collisions and automatically locks and saves the footage for later review. In conclusion, the Prelot NUI 15 3-channel dash cam is an all-in-one solution for comprehensive in-car surveillance. Its 3 cameras, crisp resolution, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their vehicle's security and safety. Next at number 4 we have Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p Mini Front Dash Camera Q3. The Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p Mini Front Dash Camera Q3 is a compact and reliable choice for those seeking a no-frills, high-definition dash camera that gets the job done efficiently. Despite its small size, the Q3 delivers impressive 1080p Full HD video recording, capturing the details you need for accident documentation or sharing memorable road trips. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view. One standout feature is the built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to sync the camera with your smartphone for easy access to your footage. This feature makes sharing clips or accessing video files a breeze. The G-sensor technology automatically detects and locks video clips in the event of a collision, preventing crucial footage from being overwritten. Loop recording ensures you don't run out of storage space on the included SD card. In summary, the Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p mini front dash camera Q3 is a straightforward and efficient dash camera. If you want a compact and user-friendly device that doesn't compromise on video quality, this is an excellent choice. Finally, the number 5 position is held by Dashcam front with 32G SD card OAK 831 front dashcam. The OAK 831 front dashcam is a solid option for those seeking a reliable, no-nonsense front-facing dash camera with the added convenience of a 32GB SD card included. With this 1080p Full HD resolution, this camera captures crisp and clear video footage, ensuring that you won't miss any details on the road. The 3-inch LCD screen provides easy access to playback and settings. One key advantage is the inclusion of a 32GB SD card, which offers ample storage for your recordings. This eliminates the need for immediate additional purchases, making it a convenient option for those new to dash cameras. The loop recording feature ensures that you don't run out of storage space, and the G-sensor technology automatically locks and saves video clips in the event of an accident. In conclusion, the OAK 831 front dashcam is a straightforward and practical choice for those looking to enhance their vehicle's safety. With its good video quality and the included 32GB SD card, it's a hassle-free solution for documenting your drives. Thanks for tuning in to our best dashcams review. We hope you found our insights helpful in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, tech tips, and the latest updates. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.